Is there gold hiding in this fraction? Absolutely there is. To mine it, we'll have to dig into the decimal expansion of 1 over 89. Stick around, something amazing is hiding in plain sight. Let's begin by building a simple sequence and comparing it to these digits. We'll add two numbers together and note them in the table. Now let's try the next one. Track that one too. Okay, one more step. Watch what happens. Are you starting to see it? These digits aren't random. What do you think the next number is we'll be adding in? Alright, let's speed things up and dig a little bit deeper. Watch how the pattern keeps building. Now pause for a second. Do you see it now? This number is secretly encoding one of the most famous sequences in all of mathematics. Column 2 is the Fibonacci sequence. Yep, it's Fibonacci hiding inside of the fraction 1 over 89. Before we reveal the gold, here's your challenge. Keep the sequence going till you hit the 11th Fibonacci number. What do you notice when you get there? Drop it in the comments if you figure it out. Now let's take a look at column 3. Do you notice the rule? Each entry is just the nth Fibonacci number divided by 10 to the power of n plus 1. If we kept going forever, the entire sum would exactly equal 1 over 89. In other words, this fraction is equal to an infinite series involving Fibonacci numbers. If we write out the terms, it looks something like this. And that means that every Fibonacci number is stamped right into the decimal expansion. Isn't that wild? But why Fibonacci? The secret is its connection to the golden ratio, about 1.618. As you go further in the sequence, the ratio between consecutive terms gets closer and closer to the golden ratio. And the golden ratio is everywhere. In pine cones, sunflower seeds, seashells, even the way leaves grow. That's the hidden gold inside this fraction. So if this felt like striking gold to you, don't stop the sequence now. The next video is waiting. Just tap it on screen and I'll see you there.